Click on the link below to get price. The WEN 14500W 120V/240V tri-fuel generator is an exceptional powerhouse designed for versatility and reliability. With the ability to run on gas, propane, and natural gas, it offers remarkable flexibility for various situations, making it an ideal choice for homeowners, campers, and anyone in need of portable power. One of the standout features of this generator is its impressive power output. Delivering a peak wattage of 14,500 watts and 12,000 running watts, it can handle heavy-duty appliances, tools, and essential home systems during outages. Whether you're powering a refrigerator, air conditioner, or multiple tools on a job site, this generator excels in providing consistent electricity. The tri-fuel capability is a game-changer. Users can switch between fuel types based on availability and preference, ensuring that you're never left in the dark. This flexibility is accompanied by an easy-to-read digital display that provides real-time information on wattage, voltage, and runtime, enhancing user experience and control. Its electric start feature is incredibly convenient, allowing users to start the generator with a simple push of a button, eliminating the hassle of pull cords. This is particularly useful during emergencies when time is of the essence. Furthermore, the unit is equipped with a durable frame and wheels, making it relatively easy to transport despite its robust design. Safety features, such as automatic low-oil shutdown and overload protection, provide peace of mind, ensuring the generator operates safely and efficiently. The included transfer switch adds an extra layer of convenience, allowing for seamless integration into your home's electrical system. Overall, the WEN 14500W tri-fuel generator is a reliable and powerful solution for anyone needing portable electricity. Its combination of versatility, power output, and user-friendly features make it a top choice in the generator market. Whether for home backup or outdoor use, this generator is a worthy investment that delivers on its promises.